God's child, I am chosen, I am loved by the Most High. I am wonderfully created, I'm the apple of His eye.
What's up guys, it's your girl Sealiness, and today I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing a short vlog for you guys, so come along with me. So the first step guys is a machine. Look for me card, is a disgrace. Come with my money. First step is the machine. And then the next part more is that wholesale. You just have to get some, look at something, not much. I can get one big nestum, please. Sometimes tired, and I see my face guys. Sometimes it's not easy, but you know you have to go on though, and with God you have to go on. Carry a pop butter for me too, please. And yeah, give me some delight, I think. That is it, Mr. Chi. Then I buy no one only for something. Oh, more when I big choppy can of them to Mr. Chin. Orange. That is my shot, you know. And truly, I want good phone for you to get my camera quality up for me YouTube. Yeah, I forget my phone. Injury time. $4,030. See it here. Guys, I don't want to see the bit sitting on the bag. Before Mighty God, Jamaica economy rough. I can't save it. I wish I could save us, but I can't. Yeah, economy rough.
They told us things will be better. They told us things will be cheaper. They told us things will be easier. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. So they want us to think straight. So
hey guys, let's look at snacks or something. Thank you. She's so beautiful. Guys, me did want to go up here, so I tried it. The church's chicken, the Irish chicken, sorry, one new chicken place coming at Spanish food, but I don't know if they go. Don't come with me. See it here, guys. Me and some of the chicken in a Spanish store, but me don't know. They don't look like they're open. If I'm got the place to go try this something. Them I said them to start frying up yet. And about after 10 to 11 now. Guys, my bake, so after I go for try the chicken. Them I tell me about chicken never start frying it. No man, we are go home. Come and like stay down here so long. Spanish town. So I am looking at taxi to go home. But I never see no taxi for way. Guys, I want to tell you, see, I can't get no taxi and I don't want to know how far in the lane I come. Look how I sweat up. Mighty God. I wonder if I want to need that to come around the corner.
Nice and the play, yeah.
Nobody watching us can know we're no safer. And even more time when we shot at the paper. Still
Anyway guys, you know me never did I stay long on the road. Me just said I go grab somebody wholesale and then go buy the chicken, but them did say the chicken place closed. Anyway, I buy so bad right now. I'm at the shop. Enough things me not buy. I'm a buy already, you know. I say I buy already. My God. So guys, I couldn't get to finish post the vlog yesterday that I was making because it's too short. So I say I'm gonna do a follow-up, which is today, Friday, May 14. I'm gonna do a follow-up. So I can't get to finish the vlog, so no come along with me. We are going road, guys. We are going road. We are going road. We are going road. So I'm get one driver now. I'm here head out with Miracle. Miracle is easy, you know. Miracle putting a piece of body for come on the road. The first stop, guys, me and make the Brunswick village. Brunswick, what your mother earlier make go in a machine. And the Brunswick village, she use the machine. And is it over here pretty? Them say, oh, some over here must be 70 and 80 million. I don't know how true it is. Over here, nice to have what you call or something. Over here, what if a little business areas and it's like a housing scheme or something. Over here, nice. And at the front part now, up there, so them have Island Grill. And them have a surgical bank this and then them have a machine as well. So then a machine as well. Oh, go on to the car. Where the Miracle? So guys, over 2 different banks coming now, I get my money. And me have to come to CIBC. Them body man, I want to CIBC today. Look how much my first I wonder how I go with my money. This guy said that one stop and we have another stop now. We'll meet back the car and then so I reach almost the second stop. Right now we say fully full so till we know me over there so for a very long time. Guys, right as we just go out on TV because when I get through it yourself you know. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get through it. No,
we cannot escape, we cannot come out.
I don't want to know.
Mama, we're trapping at this.
I'm miserable and I turn on my phone like Miracle. So Mama beat him up. She's gonna get your line, Lele. It's not bad, I know, Lele. Why, guys, I'm stressed out. I know I can't do another section this again, you know, guys. She's and being stressed out of the building now. I am leaving the first stop now, and I'm going to the second stop. I will feel like say wanted such a big old building and the man feel like say I want to take one bus. I'm not going to wait for the in-drive, you know. I'm not going to stay so long and wait for the in-drive. I'm going to take one bus. I'm going to go and go try the chicken thing. I'm trying the chicken. Whoa, me get one taxi, guys. Taxi me get. Ah, me shit! Guys, I never taxi though, so me get one bus. So guys, no want to see me have Miracle from that story to tell. You want to see the people we get? Want to look up pinch up something? No, sir. Mercy. What's the saddest one? What's the saddest one? You want to see Miracle face? Don't mind the sweat, guys. I don't want to stress out. I want to see Miracle face at this time. Miracle first time on a bus. Oh, sir. Oh, that traffic. So what a bus ride, guys. Miracle drop asleep. Murder, Miracle can't eat in the kitchen. Right now we are go over. Remember when me telling you something I go yesterday? Over the China chicken, I never catch it. Me I go over there today. They're over there, so guys, we are go over there today. So guys, the place that we are going there. So far guys, it smells good. I sit down and wait for my food. So I had one chicken and one burger. They come up with 2 things that are. So we are waiting for the time that we see it go on now. Guys, them over there and make the smoothie, but through me have Miracle in my hand and now I can't see. Them over there, me have to run go for one smoothie a while ago. So me I try it. Guys, I want to know about the smoothie. Cool, refreshing, nice. Watch Miracle, drink some Miracle. Drink it up. Nice. Size strawberry flavor. Nice, is it? I would try it. Guys, I'm reach home. I think I'm going to show you how I make it. We are not Miracle. But this side bag. And then later I'm show you me. So I order this guys. Chicken and the next one a burger. I'm going to show you the chicken. As well. And this one are the burger. Right now, guys, I'm trying to fry. Fries alright. Not too crisp. Alright, not too dry. Let's try the burger. Chicken and cheese and everything. Bomba. Huh? Burger, still the show up. Still the show the burger. Oh God. Guys, before I get some time to reach home, they have finished doing the review about the burger. The Iron burger is a steal. Winners are win. Guys, we still have a charge. Can't give you one video. Guys, me not telling a lie. Stop Miracle. It's something nice. guys, and I said the smoothie was enough. You just a drink and go away. So right now I'm in a vehicle, guys, and I'm gonna look at taxi route. A miracle. Yeah, we have the taxi for load for reach up. So when I reach up again, I know I'm good and look up piece of clippings because this not have much charge, you know, guys. So guys, I want to tell you, I just reach home and I have to draw off the wig. Guys, why the time I feel so hot? I have to draw off the wig and I have to take off my clothes. Why the time I feel so hot? Someone not come yet. And if someone not come yet and the time so hot, what got more when summer come? Jesus, please, the sun so hot, much less the Father, eh? The time so hot, eat it and near me up. Anyway, guys, we're coming to an end of this vlog. And if you like my vlog, don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get alert whenever I post a video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Anyway, thank you all for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.